Closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You're now standing in my private office.
I know!
Where I
carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Enough of this guy! Why? Of course I escape! 1 billion volts may be a good deterrent, but it also turns an electric toothbrush into a very aggressive drill. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm sneaking through the ducts, and I'll meet you on top of your lift and take us all the way up to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance. Then the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh, and look what I swiped. Now move it.
one? Throw one. Oh, cool.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated, with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your terry children. Thank you. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen a sus niños terranos. Gracias. Raise your hands to clear. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Can't drop it, so everything has to be over the seatbelt. Nothing under the seatbelt. Except for you guys. That's the only thing I want under the seatbelt. Anything else? No fun. Have a good one.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things up! Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll!
It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. You should be thanking me. Thanks, Travis.
Hey!
Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the gantry lift doors. Let all the creatures out. We trust your tour was interesting and look forward to seeing you again.
I don't even know what piece.
I did not make a single
I did a face.
Some of the times we went straight up and then I just dropped the A's. Like I put a kill switch.